Welcome again to my channel. Now that we are ready with R and R Studio being installed in our computer, now we'll start with R. In this video, we will see an introduction to R console, how to set the working directory in R. And the following video, we'll see the R Studio environment and how to set the working directory in R Studio. Let's go to the video. In this video, we will see the R console and how to set the working directory in an R console. So once you click the R, you can see this environment, R console, with many things: file, edit, view, miscellaneous, packages, windows, and help. And this is the console where you are working with. So as a starting, what I will do is, we will assign number 1 to a variable x. So type x less than symbol hyphen 1. What we have done is, we are going to assign number 1, value 1, to a variable x. Okay, the detailed video of data types will be explained in the later videos. Now we are assigning a value called 1 to a variable x. So the assignment operator is less than symbol and the hyphen. In MATLAB and all, it will be equal to. Here it is less than equal to. So x less than hyphen 1 means number 1 is assigned to the variable x. Okay, so you put enter. Okay, now if we click x, okay, it will print the value for x. Now I'll assign value 2 to a variable y. If I print y, it will show you this one. Value of y will be printed. So if you put x plus y, you'll get the value 2 plus 1 3. Or you can even print the same thing, print x. If you will print x, okay, 1, you are explicitly printing the value for x. Or print x minus y, you'll get the value minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Now we will see the directory. So before working in R, you need to set your directory. So to know in which directory you are working, you should type getwd, get working directory. If you enter, you will see this one. So it will depends on your computer. This is may not be same in your computer. Okay, this is for my computer. Okay, see users, your username will be there. Then documents. Okay. Now if we want to go with another, we need to set another working directory. So what we can do is, go to file. There you can see change dir, the change directory. Okay, so what I am going to do is, I'll go to my desktop and I have created a folder called rdata there. Okay, so I'm going to set rdata as my working directory. Now the working directory has changed. We'll check get wd. Okay, so we can see the directory has changed. See users, ch desktop, rdata. Now I need to see what are the files inside that folder. Okay, so that I can, so you write dir function. It contains a file called add.r. Okay, I have added a folder, that's all. If it is empty, means it will show empty. Now we'll see the text editor. That's how the working directory is set. Now we will go to new script, and this is a text editor coming along with R. Okay, now you can see, but we will be mostly working in R Studio. Okay, we'll have an introduction about R, then we'll go to R Studio. Now the same thing I'll do here. I'll put I'll do one thing. I'm taking a variable called s, and I'm giving a value 3. T, I'm giving a value 5. Now s plus t, I'll be assigning a value. I'll be adding the s plus t and giving that value to another variable called f. F is given a value s plus y, s plus t. So next one is print f. Okay, so here you can see the text editor. Now if you go to console and write s, it will show object is not found, okay, because it has not been transferred to the console. Okay, so you need to transfer that one. You can do it in two ways. First one is you copy the entire thing, okay, copy and come to the console and paste there, put enter, you will get the value. So here now s is given, s, t, f, everything is in the console. Now if you put the value s, you will get the value 3. So if you put the value f, you will get the value, it will print the value of f. Now another way is you can select this one, right click, you can see run line or selection. Okay, if you click on run line or selection, you can see here the same thing happens here. See, all the things are loaded here and the value of the f is printed. Now you can save that one. So you take the, go to the file section, save. Okay, you are going to save the editor. Okay, so it will be in the R data. It will go to the working directory that we set, and add.r is already there. So I will put add to numbers, and save as type will be .r. Okay, the file will be .r. So it will be there. Okay, now you can check the, see, get wd again. Okay, it is users js desktop r data. In that, if you write dir, okay, you can see two files, one already there and another one add to num.r. Okay, now if you put ls, okay, ls function, you can see give a list of variables inside that one. So in the recently saved file, we have set s, t and f. You can see that one here, f, s and t. X and y belongs to our old file add.r. Okay, so you can see this one. Okay, now how to load that one, load that file. So what I'll do is I will close this one, I'll start again. Now we start a new session. You check the working directory. Oh, it changed. See, users, it becomes documents. Okay, so you change the directory to our R data. Okay, now you check for confirmation. Yes, R data is set as a directory. So how to open that one? So you can see that you can go to file, open script. Okay, you can see two things. So you will open our things. You can see the same thing will come here. And if you want to run that one, you can right click this one and click the run file. Another way to do this is you can use the function source. You can source, then you write the file name. You write the file name in parenthesis, add to num.r. Close the, so you will see 8. So what we have done is the same thing. Add the, you have sourced the file. So in what they will do is, in the working directory, it will check for this file, and that file will be opened. So the answer is print to print the sum of two numbers. The same thing you can do using, you can use the set wd also. So for example, set wd, then the path. So c inside parenthesis c, so I'm going to put desktop as my directory. Okay, so I'll go ahead with this one. Okay, so now my directory is desktop. Okay, so you see, you get wd. So now desktop is my working directory. Okay, so if you put dir, there are two, the desktop.dni and R data. Those are the files in my in my desktop, which is my current directory. So this is the introduction to, this is the R console environment. This is the R console environment. In the next video, I'll show you the R Studio environment where we will be mostly working with. If you have any queries, please comment below the video. And for more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.